If you sleep 5 hours per night and die at age 75, you'll still have spent just as many years awake as a person who sleeps 8 hours per night and dies at age 89. There are people out there you haven't met yet who will love you. There are no nights in outer space. You've already spent a final day with people you assumed you'd see again. Your future self is a stranger you're slowly getting to know. An anteater ends more lives in a single meal than a lion does in its whole lifetime. When I die, someone is going to have to cancel all of my subscriptions.